Nature shapes everything, and in Sala, Sweden, it shaped us. At Scandinavian Pile Driving, we're driven by our passion for the craft and our commitment to our customers. Our advanced drilling and pile driving machines aren't just built, they're crafted, modular, and smarter by design. Easy to service, ready to upgrade, and engineered to perform. The modular system, the flexibility and the high productivity is what makes our machines stand out. We train operators and test run all machines to ensure reliability and performance. We continuously innovate and improve our products. Because doing things better isn't just business, it's in our nature.